Good morning. So we're gonna make some, you know, scrambled eggs or whatever, and some potatoes, and also boiled eggs. This is gonna be so fucking good. I'm also gonna get some cheese as well, and I'm gonna also try to get some tortillas on the little eye. So I have the potatoes right here and the peppers. Then we're also gonna have some of this bacon as well. Just let us adore. Hey!
What about me?
Where you at? Oh! I was like, where's she go?
Okay, put it down.
What does that sound? Every time you cook something, you always have to put garlic in it. Well, personally, that's what I like to do. Okay, vlog, so this is basically what I've come up with. This is like my version of hash browns or whatever. At the end, I'm gonna put some green onion on top. So Anna's finishing off the scrambled eggs because I was about to gag. Okay, y'all, so we just got done eating breakfast or whatever. Basically brunch. And I'm eating a paleta. And we just big chilling for real. We're going to Ulta and we're going to the store to get marshmallows and chocolate chips, I think, because we're making s'mores tonight, and then chocolate chip pancakes, I think, tomorrow or some shit. Jordan!
Sip the shot away, I wanna make you mine, make you mine.
So true. Look, my shirt. Mm-hmm. You gotta make sure it don't go all the way down. Like melt. You gonna have to bang it.
How do I zoom in?
The little top thingy.
I do that.
Your slippers real quick.
I do that. Mine, yeah. It might not fit you, but. Oh, do
I
that?
think it'll keep it perfectly.
It melted, and so like it made like a shell.
A scale? Just get a tomato down.
He's gripping that popsicle for damn life, yeah.
Yeah.
Do that.
To you.
Have you done like that camera trick?
Which one?
But zoom in at the same time.
Oh.
Period. 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 It's through there. If you want the home.
Okay, guys. Oops. So we are going on a picnic. What'd you see?
That's what it is. Oh, damn it!
Oh shit.
I miss him.
Are they poisonous? I think we're about to go to the store and get like snacks or whatever, and then we're gonna go to the park and have like a little, you know, picnic or whatever. It's gonna be mad cute. I hope I didn't post my vlog. Okay, you already know me, my hot Cheetos. Gotta have them, bitch.
And I just get a Penne Rosa with extra Parmesan and extra Parmesan chicken. And a side of Korean meatballs.
Oh, those are good.
Right? I've never had them before.
Really?
They're good.
Yeah, we're in
Yeah.
the park. We got our little snacks or whatever.
This is such a nice park.
Ain't it? I'm drinking mango juice. She's drinking watermelon kombucha.
Raspberry lemon.
Raspberry lemonade kombucha. And she's drinking Starbucks water.
It's the best. Star water.
Star water.
It's the best water.
Moon water.
Are you struggling? I don't have nails. Wait, hold on, wait.
I wouldn't make fun of you like this. Oh my god.
La mujer es loca.
La chica loca, la chica loquísima. Se ha vuelto loca la muchacha.
Vamos, mis amores.
Vamos, mis amores. Eso es la vecina que puede. Anyways, ya vamos a regresar a la casa. Vamos a hacer los s'mores. Estoy muy emocionado y también voy a tomar como unos chojos. Pero creo que eso sea ilegal. decir eso en un video, pero a mí me vale madre. Les veo muy pronto. No sé si me puedan ver porque no hay luz. Yeah. Peace, bitch. The meanest blues of all. Meanest blues of all.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Mac and cheese with no cheese.
A mac and cheese with no cheese?
Yeah.
Mac and cheese
And
with
would
no
you
mac,
like
no
butter
cheese?
on that?
Yeah.
Alright, so would you just like butter noodles, dumbass bitch? The fuck? Why don't you just ask for butter noodles?
Can I get mac and cheese but without like the pasta and the cheese?
No, that's literally how they be like,
Really?
can I get the mac and cheese but with butter instead of the cheese? I'd be like, so you just want butter noodles?
So yeah, y'all, look how beautiful that is. I feel like somebody could like push me in there. So cute. Right.
It's so cute. That's the old one. That one's old as fuck. It looks like that one looks like a different one. It looks like a static one. Are you taking a picture or video?
I got a forma. What is it?
Where did I go?
Yeah, you need to learn how to draw. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're headed to Haagen-Dazs ice cream because it's okay kind of hot outside, surprisingly. It's been warm. Yeah, look how pretty. People try to make Baltimore seem like it was like a really scary ghetto place where you get beat up and mugged left and right, but it's actually not that bad. Like, I don't feel unsafe. I don't feel pain. I don't feel like I'm in the hood or whatever. It's just like a normal place. Común y corriente.
Only when you go outside this place, then it gets bad. You in the good part, Jordan.
Yeah, we safe right now. But yeah.
Oh, fuck, I don't even remember what I was gonna say.
Damn, look at you.
It smells like caca water in here.
And I got the little chocolate thingy. Destiny got the...
We got the same thing.
But yeah, we about to enjoy our helado and just chill.
You gotta try it.
It is.
Did you try it yet?
It's going.
And it's so good.
What you think, Destiny? Yeah. And we got Jordan.
It's so damn good.
Right. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna make a fool of myself on the internet. Okay. Sorry, I had to sniff it. I sniffed it. It smells it.
Lies on his lips, I lick it.
No.
This is gonna be the thumbnail, bro. I'm seriously making this thumbnail. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, cause that shit is funny. Wait, I'm trying to keep you on it. Hey! Hey, hold on. I started recording the people outside of it, bro. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god, my jacket is. You know what's funny is everything for me. I didn't do it. Goodbye. So how was y'all, right? I did not expect that to be so damn fun.
It was so fun.
That was like the most fun
Watching
I've
it was
ever
so
had in my
fun.
life. Oh my god. Thank you. All right.
So fun. You should see how you stared at us, bro.
I know, bro. Wait, actually what? Wait, did you film him?
That didn't do.
Look.
Anna, your drink.
Oh yeah, Anna. Yo, drink over here.
I look like myself in middle school right there.
Them dudes are fine as fuck.
Yeah.